What's going on, guys? I'm Ryan, and I got a lot of requests asking how to install the pack itself. I don't know why people are having problems installing, other than maybe the link is down for a second. But the mod pack hype seems to be over. Again, it's off of the front page on Technic. It was on the trending pack section, and that when you have over 1,000 people downloading a file at one time, it begins to come a little buggy. But now it should be pretty open. There's not people seeing it as much, so it should be pretty good if you are a newcomer and you want to download the pack. But anyways, I'm gonna just do it on my computer, and you guys can see how I do it, and hopefully it's the same that you will do. But anyways, we're just going to go ahead and open up Technic Launcher. So obviously you have to download that. You can't just run it off the website. So this is the front page. Duh. Sound like an idiot right now. Alright. Anyways, go over to mod packs. And as you can see, I don't have my pack over here. No Hexx Supercharge anywhere. But what you're going to search for is just, Hexx. Sometimes that works. See right here. Or you might have to type the full thing in, or you can go to the mod pack page and copy the URL that says install package, copy it, and then paste it up here, and it should be the first one. But anyways, you're just going to click install. That's basically all it is, and it should start. I mean, if you get an error that says can't do this, they'll give you like a download link, like black boot or something like that. That's my part, and again, I usually test it from time to time to make sure that it's still working, but it shouldn't really be an issue anymore. The only time it'll really be an issue is if it's, again, on the front page, or if I put out an update and people need to re-download. So that's that. I'm also going to say a few other things in this, because, alright, so just go to mod pack options. You want to make sure that it's at your .technic, because you don't want it not to be in your .technic. This is where it needs to be. Okay, it needs to be there, and it'll be there by default. It's just make sure you don't change that, and you can do whatever version you want. By default, the recommended version will be the latest version. So never press these buttons, okay, guys, unless your pack completely you tried to do something with it and it just broke. Do this, but any of these buttons will delete every single file that you have, so it will delete your world saves. So your maps, it'll delete them. So this just deleting the entire thing. It doesn't save that. I'm going to show you an alternative in case you want to do that, but see, I don't know why it's doing offline. When this happens, it's all the launcher's part. It's just not connecting right. So I'm not really, I don't know. But again, you want to make sure that you have at least 10 gigabytes allocated. I was testing stuff with these. Don't even worry about those. But you want to make sure that you have, I have 10. You have to have at least, I think I said at least 10. No, you don't have to have 10. I'd say probably 2 to 3 minimum will get you through just installing. And it's not playing, I don't know. But again, you can just play this now. And yeah, so when an update does come out, and it'll say over here, so they can go over, I'll show you what it might say. So updated version 1.14, it'll show up, and you don't need to you don't need to do this and delete the pack just to do it, because there's no update button. All you do is click play, and it will prompt you for an update. So it will ask you, and then it'll do the same thing over again. And it'll keep your saves, and it will keep everything that you've set, your options, everything like that. So that's that. I'm gonna show you a alternative to world saving. So if you do have to delete the pack, how you can save your maps at least. If they weren't corrupted maps, obviously. So go again, find your .technic. If you don't know how to do that by now, I show it in probably every video. So just let me know in the comments. I'll show you, or someone else will help you out. I'm sure they will. But anyways, go to mod packs, Hexx Overloaded. That was the old name. Go to your saves right here. Okay, and any of your worlds will show up here. All you have to do is just copy this. Oops. Just copy it, and then paste it right here on your desktop, and then you'll have a saves folder. And when you reinstall it, the pack, just if it doesn't make a saved folder, just drag it right in here and make those your saves. And now you'll have your saves and you'll re-download the pack, so that should work just fine. But anyways, guys, that's how you install it. It's really all it takes. I mean, loading is a whole different thing. I already put up a video if you're having trouble loading. But I mean, I don't really know where else to go with this. So, thanks for watching, guys. Like, comment, subscribe, and I guess I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.